Yo, yo. Action.
Yo, what's going on, fam?
What's good, L? How you feeling?
Hey, chilling, man. Grinding, just getting to the crib, man. So I didn't want to be late, so went ahead and logged in.
Boy, you here before 9 o'clock on the dot. I love it.
Yeah, man. I missed last week. I was like, nah, I ain't missing this week too.
Damn, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Every time I talk to you and people from the blockchain center, bro, it's like shit like that. Like, damn, I'm really doing this shit, bro. We doing this shit. You doing this shit, bro.
Oh yeah, we doing this shit for real. Nah, that's what I'm saying, man. I mean, if anything, I'm just here to motivate, just keep grinding, man. Because what you doing, this shit is about to change people's lives, man. I mean, your lives plus others, but for sure, I like what you got going on. So I'm here to support whatever you got.
For sure, bro. Likewise, bro. Likewise.
How many people we got in the building, man? It
Uh,
should be
you
100 open
you
right
just
now.
you bro. It usually take like 5, 6 minutes for people to like start coming in. So I usually get them like a minute, and then I go from there.
Gotcha.
You
I'm
the
gonna
block?
put my bag down, get situated, man. So you on the computer. So I'm about to mute, but I'm right here though.
Okay, cool.
All right.
Matter of fact, let's send a link out. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Brian, my guy. Brian, I don't know why yours not your audio. It don't say you muted. Elijah, what's up, Elijah? How you doing?
What you say?
I said, how you doing?
I'm doing good. I was on FanDuel looking at some bits.
Oh, you put some bets in.
Hmm.
You been hitting?
I just started.
Come on now, you a hustler. I be peeping you. All right,
Man,
I'm giving these people a second, and then we're gonna get started. Other than that, you doing all right?
yeah, I'm doing all right. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. I'm gonna get them like 3 or 4 more minutes, and we just get started without them. They late. Brian, my guy, I hear you now a little bit. All right, I'm gonna give them about 3 more minutes, and then we're gonna get started. Cody, what's up, Cody? I'm on a call, bro. All right. Just give me a minute. What's up, Cody? How you doing?
Yo, what's up, bro?
What's good? What's good, bro? You feeling all right?
Yeah, I'm straight.
That's what's up, bro. You always so chill and mellow, bro. You be like, I'm straight. Nah, but I'm just giving these people like 2, 3 more minutes and we're gonna get started.
How you how you show the screen on?
How do you share your screen? Can you it should give you an option. You said what?
I said I'm trying to see yours. I'm on my computer now.
It should give you a option to like click. You should be able to see. Let's see. Click like my username where it say lounge, WebTies and lounge. Then it should say you are streaming. You should be able to click it.
Okay.
Can y'all see my screen? Everybody else see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay. Brian, Cody, y'all straight?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, cool. Alexis, it's Elijah or Alexis?
You can either is fine.
Okay. You see it now?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Okay, cool. Well, let's go ahead and get started. So, thank y'all for joining. Once again, this is the second Technical Tuesday of the year. You know, I'm excited. I'm happy y'all join me, and I'm ready to have some fun. So let's learn, grow, and connect. So first and foremost, right? Every week we typically say the same thing, right? So can anybody read to me what my screen says right now? What does this say?
The trend is your friend.
The trend is your friend. So what does that mean? What does that typically mean?
Follow the trend.
Follow the trend. It's simple as that. And that's how simple trading is. And I know it's probably repetitive, but that's the basis of everything. The trend is your friend until it ends. You always want to follow the trend. So let's get into it. Let's get into the charts, right? Um, let's say, matter of fact, we're gonna look at Bitcoin. That's the hot thing right now. Uh, what's up, Xavier? How you doing? Bitcoin. Symbols, Bitcoin. There we go. I want y'all to be engaged this week too. I want y'all to ask as many questions as y'all can. Anything that come to your mind, just ask it. Don't hesitate. Let's have some fun tonight. But based off looking at this, right? This is the same thing we go through every week. What is the current trend that we're looking at? What's this trend? Can anybody?
Buys.
You saw what?
I said buys.
Buys, exactly. So if I
Uptrend.
if I know we're in an uptrend and it's buys going on, what is my higher probability moves at all times? What am I looking to do?
Buys.
Buys, exactly. It's that simple. You want to typically keep your trading that simple. You always want to follow the trend. The trend is your friend until it ends. You gotta ingrain that into your brain. So just based off that, right? What time frame should we always start from? We go over this every week. What time frame should we typically start from?
Money.
The monthly, exactly. Exactly. Monthly, and then go where from there?
To the weekly.
Weekly. Exactly. Then where from there?
The daily.
Then where
The 4 hour.
then where else?
Daily. Then the 1 hour.
Right. So why
What about 4 hour?
yeah, the 4 hour is key, bro, because you gotta think it's not too far away and it's not too close. So it's giving you, it's like a medium of data. So these time frames, right? These time frames are showing you how much data is playing out in a certain amount of time, right? So think about the 4 hour, right? Who just asked that about the 4 hour? Brian? That was Brian?
Brian.
Okay, cool. Right?
Yeah.
So think about the 4 hour, right? You got one day, right? This is one day of data, right? 24 hours, right? So six of these 4 hour candles, right? That's one day. So you want to tie that, you want to typically tie those 6 4 hour candles into one day so you can get a big move. That's how you swing trade, right? Same thing with the 1 hour. 4 1 hour candles is one 4 hour candle, right? So when I understand that, I can understand how the trade in line with the momentum. Does that make sense? Or did I lose y'all?
Say that again.
So you just asked me, do I use the 4 hour? Yes, I use the 4 hour because it's like a medium time frame, a medium time frame of data, right? So this 4 hour, right? 6 of these candles will give me one day of data, right? So let's mark this out, right? And y'all let me know if y'all get lost. I want y'all to ask questions. So these 6 candles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's this whole green candle. And that's one day.
Hey.
You said what? Somebody just said something? Okay, cool. But does that make sense? Those 6 4 hour candles is this one day. Same thing in contest with the 1 hour, right? This is about 24 candles. Think about it. 24 hours in a day, right? So these 24 candles plays into one daily candle. So when you understand that and you understand where the momentum is on your higher time frames, you can trade in line with the momentums and catch the bigger moves, and ultimately you will understand what cycle is playing out. So that's why every time we come to the charts, we always get an idea of what the bigger time frames is doing, because that's showing you the bigger trend, the overall direction, and where the momentum is. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Right. So why do we come to the higher time frames? Can anybody tell me?
Do it help you see the overall trend?
Right. What else?
See a general picture of where it's been going for weeks to maybe months.
Right.
See the bigger picture.
Right.
The
Right.
cycle.
Right. Right. Okay. Okay. Y'all listening? Okay. Yeah. All of those was correct. So when you understand the macro, these higher time frames, they're referred to as the macro. You can tie in your micro from there. So your micro, That's the 4 hour time frame, like we was just saying. Time those 4 hour candles into your daily candle. Then time your 1 hour candles into your 4 hour candles. Then time in the micro time frames into there, like your 15 minute, your 30 minute, 5 minute. Typically, I stay away from the 1 minute and the 5 minute because it's so fast and it's so much noise. And I use the 1 hour and above. But it all depends on your style of trading, what works best for you. So I would never tell y'all don't use the micro time frames. I say use it at your discretion. So for me, I like to use numbers, right? So you got to understand, right? If I'm using these macro time frames like the monthly, the weekly, and the daily, right? I know 7 days is a week. I know 4 weeks is a month, right? Then I know 4 hour candles is one day, 24 1 hour candles is a daily candle, 48 30-minute candles is a daily candle, 96 15-minute candles is a daily candle, 288 candles is 5 minute candles is a daily candle, and then like 1,441 minute candles is a daily candle. So when you take that in context, right? Look how many opportunities, right? This is the 1 minute. Look how many opportunities on the 1 minute they give you to get faked out, right? This is why people be blowing their accounts. If you looking at this and you thinking this is the true low, and you took this move, you only in there for 2 minutes and they faked you out. So that's why I typically like to stay away from the smaller time frames. You got to understand, like we were saying, you want to have an idea of the bigger picture, but you want to have the smaller details, but you don't want to be too zoomed in. So just like think about it like if you got a microscope, right? These micro time frames, it's like you're having a microscope, but you don't want to be too zoomed in that you don't see everything that's going on. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
That makes sense,
Yeah.
Cody, Xavier, L,
Yeah. Yeah.
Whisper.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm gonna test y'all. Uh, how many 1 hour candles is there in one day?
24.
Okay, how many 4 hour candles in one day?
8. Well,
No,
Six.
six.
Yeah.
6 4 hour candles in a day is 24 hours in a day. 6 divided by 4. I mean 24 divided by 6 is 4. Okay, cool. All right, let's look at some. What y'all got any pairs y'all want to look at? Anything y'all want to look at in particular?
Hey, what platform is this?
This is actually MetaTrader. This was Trader's Way. It's the same thing as Trading View, it's just a little different. I feel like this is cleaner for me. This typically what I've been on for years, you know.
You know what though? I think I might start using MetaTrader though, because I was using TradingView and all that stuff, and I feel like got to download even more stuff on my computer to
Yeah,
look at the stuff. Use
trade.
MetaTrader and I'll place my trades on MetaTrader too.
Yeah. So with MetaTrader, they actually going through like a lot right now. I don't know if you know, but like regulation is going on. So a lot of these brokers, they stopping like they not trying to do too much business with US clients no more. So I just happen to
Oh,
be able to still get access to this because I had an account with Traders Way for a few years now. And I just happen to still have my credentials. So if you can find a platform that's still compatible with MetaTrader, that'll work. But a lot of these brokers, like the only option is Trading View. But I like MetaTrader because it's more user friendly. Like Trading view just a lot. I don't know. I don't really like it. But you know what the beautiful thing about it? When you understand how to read the charts, it don't matter what platform you're on. It's all the same thing. Like, for example, I still got trading view up. Like, let's look at it. Look, it look exactly alike. It's the same exact thing, just slightly different. Let's see. Let's see. That's Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin on the 1 hour. Let's see. Bitcoin on the 1 hour. So you see how this playing out? And look at it on trading view. Y'all can see when I switch to trading view, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Notice like it looks exactly alike. So the platform, it really doesn't matter. It's all about sharpening your eye and training your eye to be able to see what's playing out and understand what the charts is telling you. So just like I say that to say, don't get too caught up in the platform. Just be able to train your eye to see what's really going on. It's like a veil. That makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's look at what's another good cryptocurrency? Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum. Right. So based off this, what time frame should I start from? Can somebody tell me?
The monthly.
The monthly. Exactly. So looking at this monthly, right? What's going on the monthly?
Uptrend.
Exactly. So typically, looking at based off this monthly, this move has been playing out for about 4 months now. So I know that the momentum is to going to which way? Just looking at this.
Upside.
To the upside, exactly. So if I scale down to the weekly and I notice that momentum is still going to the upside, then I scale down to the daily and I see more momentum to the upside. What am I looking for? Buys or sales? Buys, exactly. So when I understand the momentum is to the upside, what am I looking for? Can somebody tell me?
Buys.
Yeah, but what technical aspects am I looking for? What's telling me to buy? When I understand the trend, what am I looking for from there?
Traps.
Exactly. But where though?
Retracements at the lowest point.
Exactly. Both of y'all right. So have y'all heard the saying buy low, sell high? Y'all heard that saying before?
Yeah.
Okay, so right. When I understand where the momentum is, and I know the desired direction that I'm looking for a retracement, like you say, but I don't want to wait for the retracement to hit either a high or a low, depending on what trend I'm trading, right? So I know I'm in an uptrend right now. I know it's going to go up. If I scale down to my micro time frames, right? I want to look for a good area to get in, so I don't face a lot of drawdown. Right, Brian, we talked about this, right? This is why people just get in, just jump in, and then it go against them instantly. You wanna wait for the market to retrace to certain areas. You know, a lot of people say support and resistance. But typically it's just your highs and your lows, your peaks and your valleys, right? So I want to wait for price to retrace to these certain areas. Damn, bro, I hate trading view, bro. I swear I do. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm about to go back to MetaTrader. Um, let's see.
We ain't mad at you. Do what you gotta do.
But I hate trading view, bro. That
Say
shit is
that.
that shit
Hate
is
is a
terrible,
strong
bro.
So it's not a bunch of like stuff everywhere, and it makes it very more easier to read. I just never used TradingView. I'm not TradingView, but MetaTrader to look at the chart though. I just used it on.
This look more difficult to you?
No, I said I like how clear this looks.
Oh,
and
you
it's
like how
showing
clear?
me
Okay,
a
okay,
lot
okay.
of. And if I click the wrong thing, then the whole screen goes away.
Yeah, like that shit's crazy. All right, let me just take this off and then we're gonna keep going.
I got tired of hitting undo and stuff.
Yeah, bro, that shit is like too much. All right, so okay, look. So like we was just saying, we got momentum to the upside. I'm just waiting for a retracement into one of the, into a low, to a low area, right? So typically, I want to see it hitting this area, or I want to see it retrace somewhere down here, right? You don't want to just. Typically, I want to see it come down here in this area, right? Let's see. Let me take this off just so it don't confuse me.
Before you buy, oh,
Exactly, because you got to think about it, right? I don't want to just jump in. Right? You got to think these markets, they're based off psychology and they based off of emotion, right? That's why, like, when people see a big runner happen, they just jump in. Like if you use a crypto term, right? FOMO, fear of missing out. People jump in because they have a fear of missing out, right? But when they just jump in, the market will instantly just retrace against them, right? So I want to wait for a retracement. That's my inducement. I want to wait for some type of inducement back into the range. Then I want to see a trap happen. I want to see my trap happen at a high or a low. So, for example, right? Let's take this move that already happened, right? You had a low, then it moved away from that low, then it came back into the range right here, right? Then they gave you a trap. Can anybody tell me what a trap is? W.
Grab up some liquidity.
It in context, it is. So with this consolidation, if you look at it from a dealer's aspect, right, they're just collecting contracts. They're collecting liquidity in these areas. So you got to think about it, right? You got people down here, they taking sales. You got people taking buys. And then the big players, they just collecting contracts. They hitting the stop losses in both directions. Right?
So it's all consolidation traps or
Yes, definitely. But understanding the trend that you're in will let you know how big or how long a consolidation period will be. But in context, this is a consolidation, which is a trap, which is which is a W. And then guess what this tie into? And this I had you read the candlestick Bible. This ties into the candlestick formations, right? Right? Look at it, look at this candlestick formation, which is the W, which is the trap, right? That's a bullish engulfing. You see that?
yeah.
That's your bullish engulfing candle, right? Every time a trap happens, that's where your candlestick formation plays out. And then when that happens, that's when you know a move is complete and it's gonna go along with the trend. But the key is understanding my trend and then where these traps happen. Because when you understand the cycle that's playing out and where these traps happen at, that's when you can execute flawlessly, right? That makes sense. I'm not going too fast for anybody, am I?
It's starting to make sense.
Okay.
And repeat that last one though, like that last W that was the
Okay.
trap that you was
Okay, look. I'm gonna put a vertical line, right? So you see where I got this red vertical line at, right? I'm gonna make it bigger. You see this vertical line, right?
Yeah.
And this is your candlestick formation, right?
Right.
It's like a bullish engulfing or star pattern, whatever you want to call it, right? Okay, look, this is on your 4 hour time frame. If I scale in to my 1 hour, look what that is. What is this?
Engulfing candle.
No. This whole thing.
Oh, W.
A
Oh,
W.
that's
Exactly. So your M's and your W's are traps. And these traps are just the candlestick formations. That's why that candlestick Bible is so powerful. These traps let you know, okay, the people that's controlling the market, right? The market makers, they came back into the range and then they collected contracts. Notice how every time the market consolidates, it's a big push, right? So look, they came back into the range, they consolidated right here. Then when that pattern was complete, look what happened. Look how it just shot up. Look at all that momentum. Then guess what? We're in line with the trend. Let's find another example.
so wait. If you wanted to see that same trend, and you back off to say the monthly or the week,
Mm-hmm. That's where you are on the monthly.
that's the monthly.
Mm-hmm.
So it's still showing an uptrend.
Of course. Where you going with that though? You can keep going.
No, I'm just curious because the W ended and it's on the uptrend. So
Mm-hmm.
that means if you back off, then it should be showing a constant uptrend for the week or for the month.
Yeah, of course. Of course. Cause you remember that the video I showed last week with the it was like the Fibonacci's and the oak tree.
Yeah.
The market is fractal. So when you understand that, right, with the market being fractal, you understand what it means when we say you want to see the bigger picture, but you want to see the smaller details within the bigger picture. I used an analogy last week with the map. Your higher time frames is your map, right? But your lower time frames is like the streets on the map. You want to know where you at, and then you want to know where you're going. The bigger time frames is where you're going. The lower time frames is where you're at. That makes sense.
Yeah.
So look, this is where you are in the daily. That same move we just marked out, right? Look, you see how this weekly candle was just shooting up, and then that formation that set up within on a 1 hour time frame, it just plays right into it. That's a key example of knowing where you're at and knowing where you're going, or trading the trend. Look, same thing. If you go to the daily, look and look how fractal it is. Look right here. That's another W. This is just a daily time frame. It's the same thing, no matter what time frame you on. Same thing. Look, even if we went to a different example, right? Let's see, right here. Let's say we was looking at right here. I guarantee you, if I went to this on the 1 hour, the same thing will play out. Let's see. Let's see what happened. So look, it's the same thing. You just got a bigger consolidation period.
Bigger W.
Bigger W. Exactly. It's the same thing. That makes it makes sense to you. Okay, that's why you laughing. Yeah. Damn, we keep moving. All right. Yeah, but look, same thing. This W really started right here. Look. Give you a push, push one, push two, push three. First leg, second leg. Then look, second leg of the second leg. Look, big ass W. I guarantee you right here, if I was to scale out, I'm on a 1 hour right now. This would be a candle formation on your daily time frame. So, but just looking at this, what is this? What is this? Can somebody tell me?
Looks like a big W to me.
Big W, exactly. Exactly. Y'all see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I got a question.
Okay.
So what other like are there like other patterns since like C4 or is like the main ones that really can really just help is like the W's?
I typically just show M's and W, but yeah, M's if you're looking for a downtrend, but I typically show M's and W because it's easier to connect with, you know, and it's easier to see. But the
Yeah,
candle,
like that head, shoulders, and that other stuff. Like it's
but
hard to
guess
see.
what? A head and shoulders, right? Let's look at a head and shoulders. For example, isn't this a head and shoulders right here? Look, shoulder, head, shoulder, right? A head and shoulders is nothing but an M. Look, it's the same thing. Look, that don't look like an M to you, Alexis.
Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, it actually do.
No, I'm telling you, that's what it is. So look, this head and shoulders right here, right? If I'm looking at it from a candlestick standpoint, right? On a higher time frame, this is just a star pattern. I guarantee it. Look, watch this. Let's see, where is it? Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Let me move my vertical line right there. Let's see, weekly. Okay, cool. So on the weekly, matter of fact, I'm gonna start from the monthly. On the monthly, that was actually a counter trend on the highest time frame, but it gave you like the doji pattern before coming into the range. Let's go to the weekly. The weekly, it gave you a engulfing pattern. Look, you see that? This is where the head and shoulders played out on the 1 hour, right? So on the weekly, it gave you a engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing. On the daily time frame, let's see what it did. Look, yeah, star pattern. Exactly. Exactly. Look, that's a star pattern. But look, it's just the M at the end of the day. So the candle formation, the candlestick formations, those are just M's and W's. Your M's and your W's are just traps. Your job is to be able to identify them in line with your trends and your cycles.
Okay.
Same thing. Look, this is a daily star right here. This is a morning star. Look, you see this? Look, if I scale in from right here, I guarantee you that's a W. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Look at that. What does this look like? Inducement. Look, your consolidation. First leg. Second leg. Push. That don't look like a W. Look, that's an even bigger W. I'm not even looking at the bigger one. Look at that.
Okay, I see it now. Mhm.
Same thing over and over again. So when you understand,
Upside down head and shoulders.
yup, inverse head and shoulders, yup, yup, same thing. Look, shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. Well, guess what? That's just a candlestick formation. Let's see. Let's see how that look on a 1 hour. Same thing. Look at that. Same thing. Even if I wanted to scale in and look at it on a 15-minute, right? Look, another example, right? Let's see. Let me clear this real quick. Right? Let's say I wanted to look right here, right? Give me another star pattern. Right here. What is that? What y'all think that is? A M or a W?
Where we at?
Where I got this vertical line at.
Well, it's gotta be a W because it ends in a up
Exactly.
pattern.
Exactly. These patterns can happen in a downtrend, but you typically don't want to trade. You typically don't want to trade them because you want to trade higher probability moves, and your higher probability moves is always in line with the trend. So you never want to take like say you could take this, right? This little move right here. You could have made a few dollars, but that's high risk. So you don't want to take M's in an uptrend, and you don't want to take W's in a downtrend, right? But yeah, okay. So you're right. That is a W. So let's look and see what happened on the 15-minute. Where is it? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. There it go. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So looking right here, right? Well, we just marked that candlestick formation on the 1 hour time frame, right? What is this? What does this look like?
It look like a W. Where this line
It
is?
look like a W, exactly. That's what it is. Look, first leg, second leg. And it's that simple. Bro, I swear to y'all, I keep it that simple. Um, I've been through the phase of making everything super difficult, but my trading truly changed when I simplified everything. So based off
Can
what
you
we
do me a little bit?
oh yeah, definitely.
Gotcha.
Yep. You see that? Clean.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Ew, that makes sense.
Yeah, it was a little hard to see earlier, but I can see it clearly now.
Okay. That makes sense though. You see how that tied to the candlestick Bible?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. All them candlestick patterns, the engulfing patterns, the star patterns, the dojis, those are typically just traps. A doji, for example. Let's look at a doji. A doji right here. Boom. Right. So matter of fact, we're gonna really train our fucking eyes tonight. Uh oh God. So look, if I scale it, you said
It's
what?
hard for me. I said I'm trying to learn how to remember like all the patterns.
Yeah, I really recommend just keep reading that candlestick Bible. That candlestick Bible is everything. But look, if I scale in, right? Damn, I think I just lost where I put it up. Damn, where'd it go? Hold on, y'all. Give me a second. Damn, where was it? All right, we just gonna find another example. Um, let's see, right here. This is the 15-minute. Let's see. Hmm. All right, let's look right here. This big ass head and shoulders. Look, y'all see it? Shoulder, head, shoulder, right? If I scale out, right, on the 1 hour, y'all see that? Shoulder, head, shoulder. What y'all think that translates into? Anybody got an idea?
Downtrend.
Yeah, it did translate into a downtrend, a cycle to the downside. I wouldn't say just a downtrend, but yeah, a cycle to the downside.
Okay,
But
got
what?
a reversal.
But what candlestick formation would this big head and shoulders right here play out into?
To the downside.
Look, so that was like a star pattern that head and shoulders that played out.
I mean, it looked like a head and shoulders, but I don't know what a star pattern looks like.
Oh, okay. So a star pattern is typically okay. So look, if I'm gonna draw like a box, right? Y'all see where I'm drawing these boxes? Okay.
Yeah.
So say I'm in a uptrend, I'm expecting a reversal to the upside. So a star pattern would be something like this. So this is a big bearish candle playing out. Then I got a smaller candle with some type of wick, right? With some type of wick, and then another candle engulfing that candle. So with this, right, with this candle right here, you see where I got like a representation of a doji?
Yeah.
So if you look at it, right, you got four main parts of a candle. You got the open, you got the close, you got the high, then you have the low, right? So so um with this doji, right? Price came all the way down here, right? So this is how a trap plays out. The candle came all the way down here, came back up here, then came back down here and closed, right? So you were saying you don't know what a star pattern is. It's basically just a trap. Price is being trapped down here and then closing all the way up here. In context, it's just a W, just to keep it simple. Look, this all it really is. Look, go down, go up, go down again. Close. This is the close. And then look, it just shifted. That makes sense? Or is that too advanced?
I'm gonna have to probably read the book again.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm a nerd.
That makes sense.
Okay, cool. It made sense to somebody. Hey. Don't play with me.
What's the name of that book? Maybe I need to read it.
And the candlestick Bible.
It's called the Candlestick Bible. Hold on, I'm gonna put the link in the Discord.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. Copy message. Okay, cool. Oh no, that ain't it. Oh, there it go. All right, yeah, I just put it. Hold on. I got like 10 copies of the Candlestick Bible. All right. There
10 copies.
But I don't know why. I'm tripping. How everybody feeling though? Y'all good? Everybody feel like they got a good understanding tonight?
Everybody, yes, I do. I just, some stuff opened up. I got enlightened on a couple of things. I just had a rough day.
That's all.
Come on, man. I'm sorry to hear that, man. I hope your day got better. Hope we brought some light to you. How everybody else feeling though? Like, what's up? Like, let's turn up. What's up, Wigs? What's good, Whisper?
Good.
Yeah, big NFT energy. Yeah. Hey, y'all make sure y'all check out his energy drink. He got one of the top energy drinks coming out of Atlanta right now. It's called NFT Energy. And matter of fact, you know,
I'm good with y'all, man. I'm in the gym right now, but I'm active.
come on now.
And say that.
Say that then. Yeah, hey,
appreciate that.
but yeah, look, he got one of the top energy drinks coming out of Atlanta right now. And his energy drinks, like his energy drink on the can, it says, "This is
NFT.
yeah." It's a the number one energy drink for crypto enthusiasts. Our refreshing drinks are perfect for keeping you energized during long hours of trading, mining, or gaming. But so
Yes, sir.
So with that being said, y'all make sure y'all go on Instagram, follow NFT Energy, and y'all support the movement because I'm sorry, I'm gonna go ahead and claim it. This is the official drink of crypto and Web3 and the official drink of WebTies. So y'all make sure y'all tap in.
You already know, man. Appreciate the love as always, my guy.
For sure.
Hey,
for
sure.
For sure.
Yeah. But real quick though, on the that W, when you drawing that W, you always looking for a wick or you just see the W like kind of formatting, so you just kind of know. 'Cause looking at this W that you just, it's hard to see. This W right now, the middle one, you got the top left hand corner of it to draw that. Uh, I guess that bounce. I guess I don't know how you say it, but
yeah.
all right, yeah. So that's the first line, and then you're gonna go to the next. Yeah, right there. Based off of that, like how trying to see like when you doing that W and you stop right there, what kind of indicator you look for to kind of finish that out?
Okay, so me typically, I'm always waiting for the higher time frame, the whole candlestick formation to close out. So I know this part of this right here, this is the apex, right? The middle, this middle part right here, right? So typically you will see like EMAs or something like right here before they cross, like because this is like the midpoint. This is where people get faked out. This is the high of this candle. So and look, it's crazy, right? I'm marking this out, but it's a whole example right here, a whole big ass example right here, right? Look at this candle right here, right? Look how it took it went right here, touched this EMA, and then came back down. You see this big example to like right here, this whole thing.
Yeah.
Look, this is the same as that thing that's going on in this representation that I just drew. You see it?
Yeah. So on that box, what how you draw that W?
Okay, all right.
Like how that W?
So look, this a big ass W, but I would draw it like this. I mean, I could get super technical and but like in context, this is what I see.
I got you. I got you.
But look,
And
if I scale
that
out
red
though,
line you said the EMA.
yeah, look. You see how it went through the EMA, but it didn't break it, but it had to come back down and collect more contracts so it could break it. So think about this as like, right, when they do these formations, right? In context, bro, it's about the money. It's always about the money, bro. You gotta think we up against banks, corporations, hedge funds, all of them, all of the market makers, right? So these price points, they hit these price points, they act like they're gonna break it and then pull it right back down. But in context, right? These price points are like brick walls. So when they come back down to collect contracts, it's like they building up power to break that brick wall. You get what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
that's what they did right here. When they created this second leg, then they collected more contracts at this low. So they did another liquidity grab and then they shifted through there. But look, if I went to my weekly time frame, right? It gave you a slight star pattern, right? Consolidated, came down here, hit this low, trap. Did that? Look, this is where it played with the EMA at. You can't see the EMA up here right now, but this is where it played with the EMA at. Came back down and then shifted. Let's see. I'm gonna move the vertical line. But that's literally the same as that thing we just drawn out.
Gotcha.
Went up here, came back down. So look, this is your high of the candle. This is your low. This is your open. This is your close. Look, this is your close. Look, came back down into that candle and then just shifted. In context, this is just a big ass W. Same thing right here. Same thing right here, right? Same thing, just on a bigger scale.
Gotcha.
Went right here, touched the EMA, came back down, collected more contracts and shifted. I guarantee you that's just that might be a bullish engulfing. This whole thing right here. And we're gonna see what it did on the daily as well. But look, on the monthly, look at that. Look at it. That's a star pattern and then it engulfed it.
Mm.
Bro, and you know why this is so powerful, bro?
What was that?
Cause, bro, like for example, bro, if you look at this, right? This has been going on for 4 months now. What was 4 months ago? December, November, October, September. Bro, we've been in a bull run since September, bro. We've been in a bull run, bro. So when you understand how to read these candles and and understand when the cycles is about to play out, you can maximize when the bull runs come. Because and this is not only just limited to cryptocurrency. It happened with all assets, stocks, commodities like gold. Like gold, same thing, bro. We're in a bull run for gold, bro. We're gonna see the prices of commodities go up in the next few months, bro, because of the same principle. So when you understand that, you know how to maximize the markets. It's the same thing. Look,
Gotcha.
this is gold, bro. But you know, what are you talking about gold in Ghana? Same thing, bro. It's the same
Yeah.
thing. Same thing. Look, if y'all looking at this, what's the current trend that we are in on the bigger scale?
Like buys.
Look like buys. However, right, this month, so this is the monthly time frame. This month right now, it's actually playing out bearish. So I know, okay, if this month is playing out bearish, I got an opportunity where I might be taking sales for a little while. This is where the cycles play into the trends, right? I might be in an uptrend, but I might have a cycle to the downside. So that's why you can be right long term, but if you're not right in that moment and not understanding the cycle that's playing out, you can still be wrong. So it's key to understand your overall movement of the trend, the overall direction, but it's key to understand what cycle is playing out. Because if you don't understand the cycle, you're gonna get your ass killed every time. Oh God. Same thing.
Mm.
Same thing though. So I typically want to see this either come down here or I want to see a true trap play out before I'm sold that the cycle is going back to the upside. Which it probably could. Shit look pretty good. But yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense to everybody. Cody, Wiggs, Xavier, Whisper,
Yes.
Alexis, Brian. Who's a Bills? That's LJ. What's up? What's good? What's good, LJ? Okay, cool. Crickets, crickets. All right. Hey, nah, that makes sense to everybody though.
Yeah.
Cody, you ain't got no questions. Whisper, you ain't got no questions. Xavier,
Pretty
y'all.
much understand everything.
Okay, cool. That's what I like to hear. Xavier, Whisper.
Bro, you just explained what one of my hiccups for real. Not understanding which cycle you in the overall.
Right, right. Because exactly, bro. Like, if you don't understand where you can be in an uptrend, but the cycle can be to the downside, and you taking buys, but you right, but your timing wrong. So it's very important to understand the cycles. The cycle is everything.
But other than that, man, I'm gonna highlight you about your bands at the bottom.
Oh shit, bro, you ain't even supposed to be seeing that for real. No, I'm like so dead serious right now. Nah, but yeah, but this a custom art side that I had made, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I
I know,
was
that's why I was gonna ask about it. You
yeah,
understand? Cause I'm trying to find me another broker that uses MT4. Cause the same shit you was talking about trading view, bro. I'm with you, like 100 with it, bro. Like, just give me an MT4, bro. I can see everything clear, exactly how I want to.
yeah,
But all that trading view, as soon as you mess up, bloop bloop, it's like, oh no,
yeah.
I
It's
gotta.
like you got to keep restarting, you got to keep adjusting the. I don't like trading view that much.
It seemed like they chart slow too.
It might be, but you know, the one thing I can't honestly say about TradingView versus MetaTrader, a lot of them platforms, a lot of the brokers that they use, um, they're they're regulated, bro. A lot of them are like U.S. regulated brokers, so that's like one of the main things. I actually got to listen to the owner of TradingView when I went to Miami to FS Summit, and they actually foreshadowed that this was gonna happen. Now that I look back in hindsight, and bro, as 2024 get the moving, bro, I think that's gonna be like one of the major things that we face, bro. Regulation, not only with cryptocurrency, but trading, bro, because it's getting serious right now, bro. So
Yeah, but
I don't know, bro. Like this broker I'm actually using right now. This is Trader's Way. Um, I think you gotta already have a account with them because when I look, I don't think they taking any more U.S. clients. But shit, I try my luck.
account not too long ago. I didn't I didn't necessarily fund it because I ended up totally fucking different brokers.
Right.
But I did back into it. I'm waiting on this one broker that I'm working with right now. I'm waiting on my paperwork to clear. And then if that shit cleared, then I'll be back on MT4.
Yeah. What broker
But
is that? If you don't mind me asking.
shit, bro, I really just forgot the name of it. I'm dead ass. So
Oh
it's
shit.
a slew of letters.
You said what?
It's a slew of letters.
Slew of letters.
It,
Okay.
it yeah, I gotta
Oh, Etsy more. Damn. Is it Etsy or something like that?
No,
Oh, okay, okay.
them letters don't make sense to me. Hold on. Hold on, give me a sec, bro. Cause I'm on my phone now, so I'm going back to the email.
I think I hear good things about think markets. Actually,
LQD.
the lady Iva, Miss Iva, she uses think markets, and I know they still compatible with MetaTrader. Um, Bro, I'm at the point where I'm thinking about just using my VPN, bro. I don't know, cause
I was just about to ask that.
yeah,
Because I'm under the impression that you need an address.
yeah. See, that's gonna
Or-
be that's gonna be where the problem lies. Having like an address and like some identification.
Cause do you get like a virtual box or something?
Do you get a virtual
And
what?
for like a virtual mail, you know they got like
Oh,
virtual
virtual
mailboxes.
mailbox. Damn, I didn't even think about that. I don't know, bro.
'Cause that way, if you could do it like that, then you probably could get your address, not ID.
Yeah,
You
well, yeah,
know,
yeah. What about your identification though?
You get that Ghana passport, bro.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that literally just ran through my mind. Like, yeah, kind of. Damn.
Hey, I did want to say this though. They are starting to like tax like crypto a little bit differently too. So like, as me being a tax preparer, they had me prepare for that. I think like last year, but they really back this year.
Man, Uncle Sam want his.
Yeah. But also too, I feel like too, I think because people keep getting scammed in certain aspects of it because they may not understand how like a blockchain and all that works. Because they've been coming out with a lot of documentaries about like, especially when Bitcoin like did that thing it did like 2018 and all that extra stuff, and
Mm.
people trying to sue for that, and then like people not knowing how these cold storage and these external wallets really work. So they investing into these coins, into these like other servers that people may not be aware of or not reading the policies on how they really like how they build staking those coins. So when like it goes up and people trying to like sell their coins off, they not getting their money back. So people trying to like sue the companies and stuff. So that's why they starting to come out with way more heavy regulation too. Like
Yeah, I do feel like the insurance, like what you saying, like people not being insured, that is a big part, but a lot of it is capitalism as well. You got to think, man, these governments they don't want the people at the bottom coming up because that essentially takes money out of their pocket. So
yeah, that's a
they got to do whatever they can to keep the people in the people's place. You know what I'm saying? So
I think when the sovereign individual, that's one of the things that you're talking about. Like you don't have to live in a high property tax area to get, like make decent wealth and stuff like that no more.
definitely, especially like with this information that we have it in the palm of my hands. Every
Yeah,
everybody
yeah.
got the same opportunity now, but as regulation come, they're slowly taking away that. So I think it's very important for us to take what's in front of us serious right now and prepare ourselves because it's about to get nasty. It's about to get crazy this year.
I ever thought about like sliding to like Puerto Rico or something.
Of course,
I think they consider the U.S. territory, so they may have similar rules.
I
That'd
think
be
I think
different
Puerto
though.
Rico actually they got way better benefits and stuff like that. A lot of people actually going to Puerto Rico right now. They growing for that very reason. People trying to get away from the taxation in the United States, so they going there.
Yeah, but Puerto Rico is US soil as well.
Damn, for real.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
so
that's what I'm
why are people going there for
To
the
the US.
Got some Virgin Islands down there too. Yeah, all that's US. But they rules a little different.
yeah?
So a couple of them, you got way more leeway.
Mm, that makes sense though. I don't know. They gonna have to catch me though. Nah, I'm playing.
And once they get out there, they ain't gonna catch.
Oh, you gonna go on the run?
XPD.
You saw what?
XPD.
SP,
Short range.
SPD. This plate, I think it's platinum. I think it's platinum.
XPD USD.
Yeah, I think it's platinum. It's some type of metal. Let me see. I ain't gonna lie, that is one thing I do like about TradingView. They let you know like exactly what pair it is. I do think it's platinum. Let's see, SPD USD. Oh, palladium.
Oh, palladium.
Yeah. I don't even know what palladium is. What is that? I know it's a metal, but like what is that? What is that used for? Palladium. Let's see, palladium.
Palladium.
The official US palladium boots. Palladium is a chemical element. It is a rare and illustrious silver white metal. It is more durable and harder than gold, and is more expensive per ounce. That's crazy.
Yo, so you trade everything, crypto, all these commodities, everything?
Yeah, for the most part, I just look for, but I really just look for my setup. If I see my setup, I don't care what it is, I'm gonna take it.
And what's the setup that you look for usually?
What we just talked about, my M's and my W's, in line with the trend. I'm always trading in line with the trend. I don't care how good it look. If it's not in line with the trend, I'm not taking it. I don't care. I always want to take
Traded Bitcoin, right?
Bitcoin, same thing.
I traded Bitcoin yesterday because it was an ETF they were supposed to release, and it was going up,
It
and
just dropped.
I hit.
Oh, yeah,
I
okay.
got me that buy. I made some money on that buy.
So,
And then I got greedy. That's why I got to get a journal because I got greedy, and I'm like, oh my God, I knew I should have rolled it up to that 47. Then in the 48, it never hit 48 though.
right. One way, it's two ways you can combat that. Being too greedy and holding your trades too long. So, typically some people they use trailing stops. So when you take a trade and you're getting close to your take profit and you don't want to close your trade, just put your stop loss somewhere. Like let's say you wanted to ride it up to 40, yeah, you wanted to ride it up to 48 and you got to it at like 40, let's say you got to it at 47.3. You just put your stop loss right here and just ride it. So either way, if it do come back down, you know what I'm saying? You got stopped out in profit. Another way, this is what I typically do. Bro, I'm only taking like one or two trades and then I'm leaving it alone. I'm leaving my screen. I'm not married to the charts no more. I have been through the phase of being married to the charts and being on the charts 14, 15 hours a day. I've been through that. But as I develop more and more, I learned like, okay, it's not healthy for me to be staring at the charts or keep taking trades. Like, bro, I want to take my trade and go about my day now. So,
I'm in an 8 a trade for 3 days now. Probably just
you say you
did it, right?
You say you been what?
I'm in an ADA trade. ADA.
Oh, Ada.
ADA.
Okay, like Cardano.
Right, for 3 days now, and it hasn't moved. It's just been sitting still. I probably should dead it because from experience, I learned that when I'm in the trade for more than 2, 3 days, it usually fails me. No, I say revisit your chart before you like jump into that trade because it's a crypto, so it's a slow one. So maybe it didn't, maybe your move didn't play out yet. I love swinging those. Like I was swinging Tron, you know, and that shit was lovely. It take about a couple months to do what it need to do, and then but when you turning the money over, it really don't matter. But yeah, I just say like revisit, your setup and then how you took the trade, and then make your determination then now that you got some new information about how to read the chart. Cause
But it's good. Yeah, go ahead.
it takes a while, bro. It really do. It take a while. You'll go a week and it don't even move. But when you look at it on a bigger time frame, it ain't nothing but a doji. So it's like it's still in the like if you took a up right now, you know what I'm saying? And it's like when you go back and look at it and it turn out to be a doji, like wait, go back. He just had it on the screen. All right, so you see them two dojis right next to that big old green candle,
Yeah.
right? A lot of times you might have like I say you gotta read the chart, but sometimes you'll take a trade in the red doji candle and be like, and that's a week. So you be like, dang, it ain't do nothing all week. Well, it wasn't really gonna do nothing when you look at it a bigger time frame. And then the next week you got that big engulfing candle. So it just depends on, how it's going. But I know cryptos like ADA, Tron, no, like them things move slow. Like Bitcoin and Ethereum, them things move. There's a lot of, there's a lot of volatility guys. A lot of people use it. But a lot of people not using ADA. So no,
That shit
a lot of people don't even know
downstairs.
what
I ain't
crypto
know.
is.
That shit in that.
You
That
know
shit
what I'm
down
saying?
there.
Right,
So
cause I've been
most people that use it, the faster it's gonna move.
Bro, that's what fucking
Right.
crazy.
I've been at 50 cents,
Your car?
50
What the
cents,
fuck?
dollar.
I'm about done.
50
I'm about to
cents,
end this shit.
75 cents. All week long.
So you could probably scale your trades down so that way you actually like get a profit. You know what I'm saying? So you get some volatility behind your trade. Probably just gotta scale them down. Cause like I said, these crypto pairs like this one specifically, like it moves slow as crap, bro. So you gonna be waiting. Like you gonna be waiting. So if if you want your trades to execute faster, either scale your trades down on the pair or you find a pair that's more volatile.
Or just understand the cycle that's playing out. Cause when you understand the cycle, that shit gonna go instantly. Every time. But yeah, everything he said though is valid though.
We'll revisit the chart, and start from monthly, and then work and see what it's really doing. What cycle it's in, what trend it's in, and see if it even makes sense to hold on to it. Cause the next time I hit a dollar, I'm just gonna say, pull the trigger, I'm out.
Next time you hit $1, Brian gonna scream and holler. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm playing. I'm
A
playing.
dollar is better than a loss.
For sure.
Oh man, I thought he was talking about he waiting till ADA get to $1. I'm like, yeah,
You gonna be waiting like 6 years. No, I'm playing. No, it ain't gonna take that long. But no, I do think ADA is a sleeping giant though. It's
I'm
just
gonna
it's
look at the chart and analyze it really good.
yeah. One thing I do like,
You have to try to-
it's a big ass gap playing out. So every time a gap plays out on a chart, it has to be filled. So I do see it going up soon. The only thing I don't like, just looking at this, bro, it's still momentum to the downside. So with this momentum playing out to the downside, it do look like a doji playing out, but it could very well just go up to go down and then do something like this. So I don't know just yet, but I do like that gap. But right now, I don't know, bro. I just don't know. I don't like how it look. Then look at the monthly. Look at the monthly. Let's look at Trading View real quick. Cause Trading View, they got the 3-month chart. Let's see, 88.
What?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, 88 got. I mean, not 88. Trading View. Look, 3 months. Damn, bro, I hate Trading View. Shit ugly.
You look annoying to do every time.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. It could very well just push up though. But based off looking at the daily right now, I don't really know too much.
It's stuck. Yeah, because I'm looking at the monthly, and it's pretty much on, it's got a higher. Back now, and now it's printing a green candle, and that's on the monthly.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what the daily's saying.
You looking at your screen or my screen? All right,
My
good.
screen.
Okay, cool. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I'm just going back. I was just asking so I could go back. Yeah, bro.
Hey, that might be a nice little bind. You really don't want, if you wait like 6 months.
I know it's gonna go up eventually, because we are in a bull market. But
Hey, nothing guaranteed, my guy. Hey,
Well,
nothing
that's true.
guaranteed.
so
But I say, bro, I say with cryptos like this though, cryptos like this is, bro, it's gonna be around. So if you doing it from like a buy and hold standpoint, I just keep accumulating. But from a day trading standpoint, I'll wait for the right signal because it's not ready yet, bro. It's not ready just yet. Which is just me looking at this and like I still practice every day. Just looking at this, bro, I would sell this shit, bro. I swear.
Okay, so the next time it hits $1, I'm out. It's been 3 days.
I think it could hit up here and then just fall.
Yeah. Right.
I think it's gonna go up the fall, bro. I swear, bro. That's what I see. I could be wrong, but that's what I see, bro. I see it going up, shooting up here, and then falling.
Right.
Look at your daily time frame. Bro, a lot of big players they use the 13 EMA, right? The 13 EMA. I'm gonna tell this is why I got my EMA, my TDI, and my TDI the way it is, right? With the colors coordinated and the EMA is coordinated like this, right? So this EMA, this shows you the trend of the next time frame on every time frame. So just based off looking at this, it's averaging lower closes. So that's why I say I can see it going up here and then just falling, bro.
Gotcha.
So I don't know just yet, bro. I would wait, but like I said, if you're doing it from a buy and hold standpoint, I would keep accumulating. So
I just just want to jump into a trade and shout out to me and I thought it made sense.
mm-hmm.
Of course, I'm wearing dark shades. I'm blind.
Damn.
So,
Hey,
I'm
nah.
just trying my best.
Yeah, I got you. Long as you trying, bro, that's all that matters. But bro, don't just jump in a trade because like have your valid reasons, like why you jump into a trade. Like you wanna know why. Like, okay, I'm getting at this because it's in a downtrend, this happened and that happened. So I'm looking for this to happen. If this happened, then I'm gonna do this. You know what I'm saying? You want to be objective with your analysis and you want to be systematic with your approach. So it's like you're doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. That makes sense.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, because I do see a higher high, a higher low, and now it's putting the green can. So I'll just wait for another. Give it till tomorrow. So see what it do, and then if it ain't doing nothing, just get out that trade.
For sure. But look,
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We've been on here for about an hour and a half. The boy's getting tired.
Wow.
Yo, I feel like we had some fun. So I need everybody to do me a favor. Drop a web in the WebTies world section in the
I
Discord.
don't know how to do that, bro.
Come on, man. You gotta learn how to use Discord,
I know, I'm so, I have no clue.
You gotta learn how to use Discord. And I dropped the book in there for you, so you gotta go there anyway. But yeah, and then with us being a family, I want to build a family oriented community. I want everybody to mingle with each other. So drop y'all Instagrams and y'all follow each other because we're a family. This WebTies. So, if y'all can, drop y'all webs, drop y'all Instagrams, and let's have some fun. Tap in tomorrow for Web Life Wednesday. We're gonna talk about regulation, and then we're gonna go from there. So let's learn, let's grow, let's connect.
Thirsty.
All right. I thank everybody for joining too.
I appreciate you, man. It was definitely insightful, bro.
For sure, for sure.
Yeah, man, so.
For sure. I appreciate y'all.
Yes, see why you say drop a web. Drop a web.
Come on, you ain't that old. Yeah, you're OG, but you ain't that old. I'm on you now.
And drop away.
Yeah.
Aunt said drop a web.
Yeah.
You didn't even know how to put the emoji.
Come on, man. See, they own you now. I can't even save you. Hey, where's you an instigator, bro?
We being sensitive.
Yo.
Hey, man, my boy X been quiet. X quiet. Cody been quiet. Y'all supposed to be the real traders, man.
Yeah. I mean, you could get another round in.
I think Cody left.
Yeah. If you want to go again, I got you. Yeah.
Hey, but all right, y'all. I'm off for the night. Hopefully I see y'all tomorrow.
All right, bro.
All right, y'all.
All right.
Catch you tomorrow, bro.
All right.